Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a short lesson on creating a Google form to use for an assessment or a survey, but mostly for an assessment. So you log into your Google Drive and you create a new form, Google form. Okay, and it comes up looking like this. I require that my students log in. That way it goes in through their student email and there's no issues about security like that. And that's all that I require. You can click on them and have them show progress, how many questions they've accomplished so far out of how many. So you could do that, but this is the only one that I usually do. You'll want to name your Google form. I'm going to call it sample assessment, and I'm just going to call it for PD. Cool. Okay. And I'm going to ask several questions. I'll show you how to do several different types of questions. Okay. The first one is a multiple choice. Okay. And so, okay. Okay. So there you go. What school do you attend? And what are the possible choices? Highland High School, Eastside High School. Okay. Okay. And on and on and on. Okay, and you do not select the answer here at this time. That comes later. Okay, you're just building the assessment now. Okay, we'll come to the grading part next. I make it a required question if I want them to answer it. I require it. They will not be able to move on until they answer it. And then also in the advanced settings, I allow it to be shuffled, which means the answers can be scrambled. Kind of slows down the copying a bit. And then I say done. And there you go. What school do you attend? You know what I need to do? I need to ask their name. What's your name? Okay. And I'm going to allow them to type in a short answer. So text is a short answer. I'm going to make that required too. Okay. I'm going to move this. You can just drag it. Okay. And now it's at the top. And then here's our first question. Google Forms is a really easy platform to use. So we're going to add another question. And in this case, actually, we're going to insert a video here. That's what we're going to do. I have a video queued up about water. Okay. I went and you can search for it with words. I used the link that I already want. Gave me a few choices. This is the one I want. I highlight it, select, okay, and it will come up. Okay, and so I will create the title. Okay, and I can center it, and that's great. So the kids can actually watch this video, and I can even ask questions about it. I can ask a multiple choice question. I can ask them to write a short answer after they've watched the video. I can do open-ended questions about it. Okay, so I can ask what is the charge of water, and that's an awfully large text box. They don't need to write a paragraph for that. So there you go, and that'll be done. I would, of course, ask higher level questions after them watching a video like this, but you get the idea. Okay, you could also include a picture. Okay, I have an image that I have in Google Drive that I want them to use. Maybe. Okay. So there's the picture. Okay, and okay, So that's great. That's the image. I want them to label the items that these two cells have in common. Great, that's super good. Okay, and so see what I just wrote, label the items. When they hover over the picture, it gives them the instructions. So we can give them a paragraph text, and the question is label. Okay, dot, dot, dot. And then they will answer in here. They will answer 1, the word, 2, and then the word, and 3, and then their answer. And that'll be their answer. That could be it. I'm going to require this. Okay. All right. I don't think I required this. I don't think I required this question. So I'm going to go back and make sure that I do. This little pencil is the edit icon. All right, and this is the delete. If I don't like this question, I can get rid of it. And this is copy and duplicate. If I like the question and I just want to change the format or something, I can copy it and add it elsewhere. Okay, so that's really all there is to Google Forms. You can have a video clip, ask a few questions about it. You can include an image, ask some questions about it. I unclick all of these things here because it just allow them to send it, and then the responses go to you in an Excel file. Okay, and you send the form. Okay, and there you're done. The other thing that you have some control over, it's kind of boring to be this plain background. You can change the theme, and you can still edit and add to it. All right, and so I'm going to make it this background. Okay, and so it has a little bit of personality to it. And if you want to share that link with your students so that they can take your quiz, you go to the sample assessment, or you click on it, and then you highlight this link and you copy it, and that is what they will take securely. Okay, and then they click submit, and it goes, their responses go to an Excel file that you receive. Okay, and it's in your drive. It automatically gets added to your drive. So that's Google Forms very quickly in a nutshell. And we'll be talking about how to grade this assessment, because not all of this will be graded, because it's not all multiple choice. Some of it you'll have to look through on your own, but we'll give you a tool that you can use to grade multiple choice very quickly and easily using Google Forms. Okay, so I really hope that this was helpful for you.